Hello everybody, I am Dr. Dharmapal Fulchele, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College of Art, Commerce and Science, Brahmapuri. Welcome you all in the third lecture, Increasing Your Eye Span. Dear students, in order to become a fast reader, you will have to develop certain skills. The first one is increase your eye span. It is very essential to become a fast reader, so you want to increase your eye span. Then second one is surveying the matter and identifying the text type. First you survey the matter, then identify the text type, whether the text is a poem, whether text is a notice, whether text is an advertisement. Then third important thing, that is skimming the passage. In order to look for general theme, so skimming the passage is very important. Then next one, that is scanning a passage. In order to look for a specific or particular information, so scanning a passage is necessary. Then another important thing, that is understanding the meaning of words, phrases and sentences in context, because the word changes meaning according to their context. So understanding the meaning of the words, phrases and sentences in the context is also important. Then understanding the logical relationship between the statements is also important. And then next, distinguishing statements of facts from beliefs, opinion, etc. is also important. And the last one is understanding the structure of the text. Now we are going to discuss a specimen of various eye span. Dear student, when we read, your eyes move from one point to another along the line you are reading. Depending upon the speed of the reader, the numbers of words looked at in one glance differs. So this is clear from the following example. The statement is there, your reading speed depends on how many words your eyes can see at a glance. So this is a statement. A slow reader reads this statement in a 15 glance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 glance. And the average reader reads this statement in a 8 glance. Your reading speed depends on how many words your eyes can see at a glance. And the fast reader reads this statement in a 2 glance. Your reading speed depends how many words your eyes can see at a glance. So this is a beautiful example here we have discussed. You will find that in the first case there are 15 eye fixations. In the second case there are 8 eye fixations. In the third case there are only 2 eye fixations. Then what is eye fixation, or what is eye span? An eye span is the stretch or a bit of a line that the eye can see at a time. In the first case, the reader's eyes see only one word at a time. In the second case, the whole sentence is seen in 8 eye fixations, while in the last case, it is seen in just 2 eye fixations. It is quite obvious that the first kind of reader is a poor reader. The second kind of reader is an average reader, while the last one is a fast reader. Through practice and with the guidance of your teacher, you can always improve your eye span. There are various ways to improve your eye span. So, what are the ways to improve your eye span? So, the first important way to improve your eye span is to get rid of the bad reading habits. We have already discussed the bad reading habit in my second lecture. So, get rid of the bad reading habits is one of the ways to improve your eye span. Second is develop the habit of reading a sense group at a glance. And the third one is move your eyes fast from one sense group to another, taking into account the meaning. And here we are coming to the conclusion that in the light of the discussion, it is concluded that one must increase his or her eye span to become an effective reader. Thank you very much.